Is it kosher to wrap my grandfather's tefillin? If your grandfather had kosher tefillin, then sure, there's no problem of you wrapping tefillin of your grandfather. But if you don't know, then I would say go get them checked. Get them checked. It usually takes a week, 2 weeks, depends on who the sofer is and how busy he is. It costs a little bit of money, and he checks it for you. And he tells you if it's kosher tefillin, if it's not kosher tefillin. Sometimes you can fix it. Other times it's not worth it to fix it. You just buy new ones. But as far as, is it allowed? Sure, it's allowed if they're kosher tefillin. Doesn't matter who owned the tefillin. If it's your grandfather, I'm sure it has sentimental value to you. But if it's not kosher tefillin, it could have sentimental value, but it's not going to be mitzvah value. It's not going to be mitzvah value. You need mitzvah value. Mitzvah value is what we need in this world.